All right, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of quick stealth tactics, especially if you're doing product research and you kind of want to know what the competition are using in terms of their keywords, and also how to go about finding pretty much easily suppliers using some of the software that we use for our students. All right, so stay with me. We'll be back in a second. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So today's video, I'm going to show you, we're going to use an example I've used before, which is the baby gate, right? So awesome, pretty awesome baby gate, right? It's actually doing some pretty good numbers last time I checked. Let's just run the numbers again on this particular product. So let's have a look. So they've got their act together, right? So it's doing 62,000 in revenue a month, right? Listing quality score is 8, right? 625 sales a month, 1,400 reviews, right? 22 pounds. It does weigh a bit, right? Let's say, for example, I was interested in this particular product. Let's say purely example, right? And I wanted to know, all right, what keywords is Toddleroo actually using, right? What keywords are they using on their listing? How are people potentially finding them? And how do I go about quickly finding suppliers for a product like this? All right, so let's just go through. First of all, we need the ASIN number, all right? So what I do is I do a bit of a search right here. I go to ASIN. I don't know whether you guys can sort of see that. No, you can't. That's all right. All right, so I'm going to do a bit of a search. You can. Let me just show you actually where you can find the ASIN, right? So you scroll right down to the bottom of the page. Let's just have. Oh, whoops, losing. Let me just zoom back in. Okay, I'm losing control. Okay, I like to stay in control. Here we go. All right, down here, if you scroll right down the bottom, you'll find usually the ASIN number. All right, this is the special magical number that you need. All right, so make a note of this particular number. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go. I'm going to copy that particular number, and I'm going to go into one of the tools that we use, which is the niche tools under reverse ASIN research, right? And I'm going to give that a click, and basically, let's just go in there now, actually. And let me just sort of show you this right from scratch. So I'm going to paste the code in there, and I'm going to click go. And what it's going to do is it's going to try and use that data from this particular product, and it's going to hit me up with some keywords, right? So as you can sort of see down here, it's given me keywords, right, of what this listing right here, how people are potentially finding it, and also keywords that they've potentially used in the listing, right, in the back-end keywords. So you got here baby fence door, baby fence fireplace, baby fence for Christmas tree, baby fence for stairs, baby fence freestanding, baby fence indoor. So this could be potentially how people are finding this particular product, all right, on Amazon. So this will really help when you're writing your listing to use these keywords when you're building the listing as well as in the actual listing, all right? So it'll give you some really good examples. And also, if you want to do advertising later on, you can also use these keywords as well. But let's just go through here. Now, let's say, for example, I was interested in what I'm looking at, all right, so I'm looking at a few things, right? So baby gate dog. Let me just show you two little cool tricks, right? So there's something called you see this little mountain top right here? This is the Google Trends, right? I'm just gonna hover over, right? I'm just gonna hover over this, and what it's gonna tell me is it's gonna show me the trends over the last 5 years for this keyword. So is this keyword being typed into Google? All right, that's what it's basically telling me. And it's telling me here it's been pretty consistent, and it looks like it's going up. Let's type in baby gate dog, door, all right. Okay, keywords, as you can sort of see, it's dropping a little bit there as well, right? Baby gate door. Wow, okay, that's going up and up and up. And the advantage of doing this is if, this is one way of actually finding out whether the product or not is seasonal. If you're looking at Christmas tree lights, you're going to see a big spike up during October, November, and December, and then suddenly a massive drop. Okay, but you can sort of see here throughout the year it's pretty consistent. All right. One thing I do like also is this little button here, and at a click of a button it will take you to Alibaba, right? And it will run a search on this particular keyword, right? So for example, baby gate door. I'll click this button, and what it's going to do is going to take me to Alibaba, and it's going to load up listings pretty much immediately. Baby gate door, baby gate doors, right? Baby gate doors, and it enables me to find a supplier pretty fast, and basically for this particular supplier. All right, so yeah, so hopefully that sort of made sense, guys. Some little tricks of the trade there. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, talk to you real soon. And also, if you're looking to get some guidance and you're looking for help and you want help with finding products, doing the research, finding suppliers, and also getting help listing the product on Amazon, maybe me showing you how to do it. Plus, I could even do it for you. If that's you, give us a call in the office. I would love to work with you. I would love to meet you at some of our live events that we run. And yeah, talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later. Have a fantastic day. See you later.